Okay, what we do now, I strongly advise this experiment you have to do with under supervision with an adult, because you have to light a piece of paper and you have to put the burning paper inside the bottle. So never let your kid touch the paper, never ever. So you as an adult, you have to do it. But beside of that, that will be fun. Okay, Felix. What you need for this experiment: egg, a bottle, a lighter, a bowl, and a piece of paper. So now, Felix clean it up. Hier aufschlagen auf den Tisch, aufschlagen. Okay, weg. Does the egg fit in the bottle?
No.
No, right? Nimm mal die Finger weg. It's not fitting in the bottle, right? What do you think? What should we do? How can the egg go into the bottle?
It has to burn a tissue. Like
Okay. Alright, shall we do it?
yes.
Okay, Mom, let's do it, okay?
Aber das
Okay, that must be super quick. So we put it a little bit far away. And but look what happened here. Look, es hat sich auseinandergeschält. Das ist recycelt. Na sowas, oder? Was ist das denn, Felix?
ja.
No, don't give it to your sister. Okay, we have half an egg inside. Normally the full egg would go inside. What I think I missed, what I missed is you have to put a little bit water around the egg. That was the mistake. So I'm going to burn the paper and put the paper inside immediately, very quickly. So egg half. And